This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's Sunday the 19th, and look at our little pigeons showing up. Oh, and our little sparrows. Today, the little sparrows get their own seed. It's a little after 9:30. Got up kind of late because I was up a lot of the night with the cats. It's a nice rain we're having today. Believe me, we need it. We need this rain. We need this rain. Here's our little sparrows. I think I'll go put down their food right away. Let's put down, let's see. We'll have to feed Seymour right away. Look at our little crows. We're probably going to get some rain in our lens, and it may not be as clear. We have a pair of female mallard ducks here today. Everyone's waiting for a little bit of food. Wow, it cooled off. Thank the Lord. It really was so sweltering heat. Everything was burning up, and I'm so happy that we had this change in weather, which is getting toward that time of the year when the seasons change. It happens very early here because we're so far north. We're about as far north as Nova Scotia, but we have a temperate climate because of the large lake, so it doesn't feel as cold. But if you go inland, it starts getting very cold. So we'll put our little food down this way. Look how cracked the ground is, right? There we go. I don't want all the seed falling down into the cracks. They're really massive. Okay, now, piece of paper here, get that up. We'll go put down our nuts for our little guys here, for our little crows. A good number of little sparrows here today. There they are, little babies. Okay. I haven't seen the ducks in weeks. It's just been too hot. Really large bag of cashews here. Look at those pigeons. There we go. I think our crows are probably enjoying this weather too, because it was very hot. They're thirsty. Feathers were full of oil. Let's put some peanuts down here. Stepped on a few peanuts here in the shell. All right. Let's keep our little guys going here. Get some more peanuts in the shell and walk down this way, spread it out. Like I say, I'm not sure what's going to happen here with my GoPro. It might be a little blurry. There we go. See if you can see here our little birds enjoying their little Sunday brunch. Now, I'm going to move over once these people walk by to the parking lot and put down the seed for our little sparrows. Looks like the pigeon handler, a larger group of pigeons than we normally have, which means he let them out of the coop. Okay. As soon as they walk by, we'll take care of our little sparrows. Of course, Petey's probably down there getting his cashews. There we go. I'm enjoying the rain. I just have a shirt over my t-shirt, no hat on, no sun cap on. But that rain, I love the rain. As a Girl Scout, and then later on Explorer, where they mix the Boy Scouts and the Girl Scouts together. I guess that occurs when you're about 16, 17, 18. I went all the way through to the end of the Girl Scout cycle up into Explorer. And we went a lot of canoe trips with the Boy Scouts and sometimes without the Boy Scouts. And sometimes it would just pour rain. And every day it just poured rain. And a lot of the girls didn't like it, but I loved it. I just sat there. Just always loved the rain. Never bothered me. I have a lot of umbrellas, but I never use them. So, if I do use them, it's against the sun. So, I'm not a big sun person. Meaning, I love the sun and I need the sun. But I don't lay out in the sun. If I go to the beach, which hasn't been possible since I left Florida, that was 14 years ago. Oh, looks like our hazelnuts are coming down. Here's one right here. Here's a hazelnut. Look at that. See that? They're really hard to get out. There, you see them in there. I'll have to run by here and see if there's any on the ground that are fallen, and I can drive around and pop them open. Yeah, they're starting to fall. Starting to fall. Quite a lot on the tree. A little bit early for them, but everything's early this year. There's little sparrows there. Look at that. Enjoying their little sunflower seeds on the parking lot. So happy to see them. Okay. I got some more cashews to give out. The crows are having a good time today. One lone crow up there. No, he hasn't come down yet to eat. I don't know why. Throw some cashews down. There we go, guys. Okay. What do we got left here? Do we have any cashews left up here? Yeah, we do. Okay. I'm going to make sure I had some other cashews left here. Which I do. Which means I can give out these cashews and everybody cashews. We got a lot of nuts today. A lot of nuts. So, when I get home, I gotta steam clean all of the kitty boxes where they lay. I do that every couple of weeks so they're nice and clean. I change all their bedding, and to have time to do that, it's just been so hot. To do a lot of physical work. Yesterday it started cooling off. I washed up the floors. It's really hard when it's over 30 Celsius in your apartment. Okay? It's approaching 90 degrees. It's very hot.